as we are looking at what's going to be the Barbee Jeep race and the insanity.
Hello.
My co-host here, which you probably won't hear from or me because we're going to watch this and probably not video it. But yeah, all the insanity that's here. Yeah, got a gladiator view, and yeah, that's this. All right, so what do you think the show's going to be like?
I think a lot of people are probably going to get hurt.
Multiple neck injuries.
Yeah, it's a nice night for neck injury.
Very nice night for neck injury.
It should be interesting. Yeah, we'll see what happens, but my money's on probably the back of the pack. I think the front's going to die, and then I don't know who's going to win.
It's going to happen till it happens.
It's going to
happen.
It's going to do something.
And there may be neck injuries, but it's going to happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I second that.
Exactly. Maybe overloaded. And one down, two down, three. Nope, they're all done. 3-car pile up on turn 4. Yeah, how's this one get called? Yep. Woo! Well, they're still coming.
Those two forgot the Jeeps.
They may have forgot their Jeeps.
Professional film crew.
Somewhere. Everything is awesome.